We at Penkraft are in the business of identifying, practicing, teaching, and promoting traditional art forms. The centuries old craft of Kantha essentially involves layering old clothing with running stitches to create a new piece of cloth with beautiful patchwork patterns. This Kantha Masterclass from Qyaari by Penkraft is an intense 7 days offline training conceived and conducted by our master trainers, teaches you this art from scratch. You shall start by learning surface selection, design selection, color selection, basic running stitches, learn cross stitch, satin stitch, aligned stitch, alternate stitch, close aligned stitch, star buttis, monotone designs, and much more. You shall create this art on kurti yoke, wall mirror, picture frame, and cotton stole. All material for the course is provided by Penkraft, and all you need to bring along is your enthusiasm to learn. Penkraft stands for Women Empowerment, and after you have completed this masterclass, Qyaari by Penkraft shall continue to provide you guidance and support to start your own Kantha venture at any scale that you are comfortable. The next batch starts from 9th November and will be conducted from 11 am to 6 pm every day till 15th November. To ensure personal guidance by the master to each participant, the batch size is limited to 6. Early signups also get a massive discount of 20% on the fee. So hurry up and call us on 9136024248 or 73040888833 to sign up for this Kantha Masterclass.